If you want to insert your SIM card into POCO M8 Pro, what you need to do is we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray. Now over here on the SIM tray we have this SIM tray hole, and we're gonna use the SIM eject tool that you can find inside the box of your phone. So we're gonna put it into this SIM tray hole. There we go. And then you want to use a little bit of force and push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out. And it looks like this. Now we can use our fingernails or fingers in order to remove it from the phone. I mean the SIM tray, of course. Now once it is removed, we can easily insert our SIM cards. We have two SIM card slots. As you can see here, we have on the reverse side there is SIM number 2. So now we just have to match the shape of the SIM card slot, and it should actually go in pretty easily. Make sure that it doesn't stick out once you remove once you insert actually your cards. They should be fully in and they should not stick out at all. So once that is done, we just have to slide it back into the phone. So let's put the SIM tray back into the phone and push it down into the phone with your finger, and make sure that it doesn't stick out. It should go all the way in. That is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.